We have Tiana, we have Jalen, we have James, and we have Raven with some original songs, people. Please give it up for this band.
Can you hear me? Oh, well, I assume so now. Hi. This is our original song, Grey, from our new EP. Ooh. And our band name is Birds Aren't Real. Well, yeah. Tired, but I can't sleep. The way I thought I can't dream. Feels like I'm wasting time, watching it pass me by. I listen to the kitchen clock ticking, all the things I could be doing. But it's 3 a.m. I guess I'll stay in bed and I can't get these thoughts out of my head. If I can do the dare, my words have nowhere to go. They won't be heard, they won't be shown. So they stay in my head, yeah. And kill me instead. Well, I remember when the world was bright. Heart rotating back to the help me to feel alright. Tonight life lost its light. It's all out of sight. Am I lost tonight? Well, with nowhere to turn and nowhere to run, what do I do when I'm back in square one? I guess I'll stay in bed and just cry instead. It's so easy to play pretend. Watching all week could just stay depressed. My head's a mess, no storage left. Every breath that I take, when it's the last, paper cuts on my lungs and there's blood in my hands. I need to hide from my friends. I think I'm too much for them. I can't get these thoughts out of my head. They find me to the death. My words have nowhere to go. They won't be heard, they won't be shown. So they stay in my head, yeah, and kill me instead. I can't get these thoughts out of my head. They find me to the death. My words have nowhere to go. They won't be heard, they won't be shown. So they stay in my head, yeah, and kill me instead. Well, this is I think you're rubbing off on me. It feels like ecstasy. I think you're rubbing off on me. I can't get these thoughts out of my head. I can't get these thoughts out of my head. I can't get these thoughts out of my head. I think I'm too much for them. Yes, I got a new job. Got a new job just for writing material, but these words show up in my cereal. And my God, you're so goddamn ethereal. So am I dreaming or is it real? Living it slowly, if you will, and just get because crossbar. I'm just a moment at your lowest in your plot line. I know you leave soon, I wanna leave too. If you leave it, darling, won't you take me with you? Take me with you, take me with you. If you leave it, darling, won't you take me with you? Doing with living out for you. I don't wanna live without you. I've noticed your presence surrounding me. When you can't be seen, are you watching me? You tell me to let go, but how can I when you feel so close? Don't know if I wanna be with you or be you. I guess you're jealous whenever I'm near you. Is this the real you? Is this the clear view? You got me, got me standing in the crossbar. I'm just a moment and you're lowest in your plot line. I know you'll leave soon, I wanna leave too. If you leave it, darling, won't you take me with you? Take me with you, take me with you. If you leave it, darling, won't you take me with you? Take me with you, take me with you. If you leave it, darling, won't you take me with you? Do I need to spell it out for you? I don't wanna live without you, but I know I'm gonna have to. Thank you.
That was an amazing performance. Original songs, great, and Take Me With You for the new end of
Yes,
year
get
EP.
on the fucking stage.
There's kids, no profanity, please.
Sorry, that's my bad.
The next band will be Jalen, Dahlia, Hugo, James, and they will be playing Daylight Robbery. Everyone make some noise for me.
It's okay. How is everybody tonight? Are we having a good time? Good. Are we ready? Let's go. That's fine.